All right.
Don't worry, it's my leader.
So how do you feel about the judgment?
Well, first of all, we want to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all his mercies and blessings. We equally want to appreciate the panel of judges for standing on truth that they have vindicated our governor, Dr. Nasir Idris and his deputy, Umar Abubakar Argungu, of all the accuses and all the cases that are brought before the appeal court, from the tribunal to appeal court, that they have told by the truth, that our candidates have been, our governor and deputy have been vindicated.
And what's your call to the people?
Our call is for this show that this choice is God's choice, and it is the choice of the people of Kebbi State.
Yes.
And I want to call on all and sundry, particularly those in the opposition, not only necessarily those that have come to the court, and even other opposition parties, that they should come and rally around our governor and his deputy governor and all our members of the State Assembly, so that we will try to improve the lot of Kebbi State. We are all Kebbians. We have no any other state other than Kebbi. And by the nature of election, everybody can contest. But if you have the will and you have the intention that if you win the election, you will improve the lot of the electorate of your state. When you lost election, then what is left to you is to accept the will of God and the will of the people and come and join hands with the winner, so that you improve the lot and you wait until another time.
Your name, sir? Your name and
I am the Suleiman Mohammed Argungu, the National Organizer Secretary of the Great Party in Africa, APs.
Yes.